Coach PJ here. Do you worry about employee retention? Are you looking for ways to keep your team motivated? Because every time you lose an employee, it costs weeks and even months in wages to replace them. That adds up fast. Good employees don't leave without a good reason. They may be seeking higher wages, improved benefits, development opportunities, better hours, more flexibility, you name it. Do you know how your employees feel about their jobs? Because you can't fix what's not working for them if you don't know what needs fixing. You need to check in. Schedule regular meetings with your team to stay in touch with your employees' feelings about their jobs. Here are my 5 R's that will tip the scales in your favor when employees are deciding whether to stay or leave. First, respect. Employees don't leave their jobs, they leave their bosses. Treat every team member with respect and foster respect in your workplace. Giving respect to your team members is free, but it goes a long way when it comes to empowerment and motivation. Respect their contribution, respect their ideas, respect their boundaries. Number 2, recognition and rewards. Create company traditions where you acknowledge employees' contributions and achievements. Everyone wants to feel valued. Find ways to express gratitude and celebrate successes. Most companies will admit this is an area that lacks proper attention, and it starts at the top. Number 3, relaxation. Employees are not on the clock 24/7, generally speaking, so respect their time off. The break allows them to cultivate a healthy work-life balance, which in turn provides a healthy mindset when they're back on the job. As a business owner, you may think about the business 24 hours a day, but that doesn't mean everyone else has to do the same. Number 4, responsibility. Give trusted employees new challenges. Increasing responsibility is a sign of trust, and it instills a sense of purpose and pride. They'll feel like they're growing with the job, not growing out of a job. And acknowledge their growth. Number 5, responsiveness. When you show your employees that you hear them, you build stronger relationships. Practice good listening skills when your employees speak up, and always offer a response. Show real interest in what they have to say, and be sure to demonstrate that you're looking at things from their perspective too. An empathetic boss is a major reason employees like their jobs. Because employees will stay when they feel valued, understood, and are able to see the benefits of their contribution. If this is something that you're interested in learning more about, I have a number of ways to do that. We can jump on a quick call, we can get together for a coffee meeting, or if you know that this is absolutely what you need and you want to get started right away, I offer a complimentary coaching session where we'll sit down, take a look at your business, and define what the opportunities are and put a plan in place to go forward. Your business profit. Until next time.